Hey YouTube, Mike here. How are we all doing on this fine Saturday morning? Hope we all had a very safe and productive week. Today we're going to be building that gaming table for my local gaming store. Here is a layout of the table. The table is 4 foot by 4 foot with a 3 foot by 3 foot border in the middle that will house the mat, which is like a mouse pad but bigger. The table is 36 inches tall. It has pads with leveling legs. Each piece on the first table that I built it out of #1 pine with birch plywood, but it's painted. This thing is painted midnight black, speckled with like a silver gray for like stars, and then lettered with Star Wars, X-Wing, Rebel, different things on it. So this time I'm building out of 3/4 inch plywood that I have left over from the sysports that I built, and I made it where it's each leg, stringer, frame, and cross piece is 3 inches. Now I already cut up a good majority of it, not to make the video long, so I just have 3 more pieces to cut, and we'll start putting the table together. Okay, let's just go over some shop safety. Remember, safety glasses, I wear mine all the time, and hearing protection. Okay, YouTube, let's make a little sawdust. Cut up a couple extra pieces just in case I needed it. These are very nice, I guess, for the legs. Maybe I'll use them for the legs. Okay, let's chop them up. Here is that best fence from Fast Cap. I got it fully together, got it all nice and leveled, put the pins in. Thing works really well, very nice. It's probably second best to the Festool fence system. Okay, let's chop up some pieces. The first pieces we're going to be chopping up are the legs at 36 inches. Okay, that's 4 legs. Okay, those are the 48, which I don't have to chop. Okay, I got 8 pieces for the legs. I got 2 pieces for the 4-foot stringer, two pieces at 46.5 for the short stringer, and then I have the frame for the bottom for the shelf. Okay, let's do some pocket holes. Okay, those are the legs, and those are the frame. Okay, everything else is going to be nailed and screwed for the stringers for the shelf. All right, let's do some screwing and let's do some gluing. I found these, actually I've seen them at Woodcrafters. They're from Fast Cap. They're glue bottles. They have this larger one and the smaller one. So I went on YouTube and took a look at them, and they're pretty nice. But what I thought about was, can these be used for other things? So I called up Fast Cap and asked them, and they were very helpful. These things will hold. This one has denatured alcohol. I love using this stuff for everything. But you can even put acetone in them. They said they have it in their assembly area. Mineral spirits, the denatured alcohol, anything will stay in it and it will not eat the plastic. Pretty nice that you don't have to use those metal cans. Okay, let's get the pocket hole in. Here's the legs. Cut this stuff. Okay, YouTube, this is end of part 1, and we'll be starting part 2. Thank you.